everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I'm going to be putting together a Dollar Tree Halloween pumpkin tablescape for you guys. This video is in collaboration with 16 other ladies here on YouTube. Heidi Samble got us all together to share our fall and Halloween tablescapes with you guys. Now you guys can watch everyone else's videos by clicking the playlist, which is linked down below in the description box, to get some inspiration. Now if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'd love to have you stick around by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Now let's get started on the tablescape. The first thing I'm going to do for my tablescape is make a centerpiece, and for that I'm going to use 3 of these carvable pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint one with some black acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. I painted 2 coats on this one, and then I came back with some orange acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and I just painted some orange polka dots all over this pumpkin. For the second pumpkin, I painted 2 coats of white chalk paint on it and let that dry. After the white paint was dry, I came back with some of that black acrylic paint and I painted some black stripes all around the pumpkin. I just followed the natural ribs in the pumpkin for my lines. Now you will see that one side of the pumpkin, the lines are closer together than the other side, and that's just the way that these pumpkins are from Dollar Tree, but I think it turned out good in the end anyways. Now for this last pumpkin, I tried to be a little fancy and paint the Harley Quinn diamond pattern onto this, but it just wasn't working out. It looked really sloppy and I didn't have time to perfect it. So I gave up on that and decided to use this chevron orange and black ribbon I got from Dollar Tree last year. And I just measured from the top of the pumpkin to the bottom of the pumpkin and cut a strip off. And then I just used that strip to cut about 12 more strips of ribbon off. Then I just took those strips of ribbon and I hot glued the top of the ribbon to the top of the pumpkin and the bottom of the ribbon to the bottom of the pumpkin. And then I just continued around the pumpkin, overlapping the ribbon as I went, until the whole thing was covered in the chevron black and orange ribbon. And I think this looks a lot better. Next, I replaced the stems on the pumpkin with some air dry clay stems, and I didn't get this air dry clay from Dollar Tree, but you can get clay from Dollar Tree to do this. I just already had this, so I just rolled out 3 pieces of clay and then just shaped each one differently until I got a pumpkin stem shape that I like. And then I let these dry. I actually ended up baking these because I was in a hurry. So I ended up baking these in the oven at 350 for like 20 minutes. And then I came back with some black spray paint and spray painted all 3 of these stems. Once the spray paint was dry, I just attached the 3 stems onto each one of the pumpkins with a little bit of hot glue, and my pumpkins were ready for my centerpiece on my table. Now to start off setting my table, I'm going to use these 2 candle holders I got from Goodwill a long time ago and place those in the center. Then I use these creepy cloths that you can get from Dollar Tree in black, and I just placed those around the bottom of my candlesticks. Then I placed my 3 pumpkins, 2 of them on the candlesticks and 1 of them below. And then I'm using this vase filler that you can get from Dollar Tree to just sprinkle around that creepy cloth to give it some more depth. Next, I'm going to take these battery operated Halloween candles from Dollar Tree and I'm going to place those around the centerpiece. For my place setting, I'm going to top my chargers off with a black spider web from Dollar Tree and remove the spider. Then I'm going to place an orange plate on top of that, then a white napkin I got off of Amazon, and then a black plate from Dollar Tree. Now I have a few different options for the center of the black plate. First are these pumpkins that come in a pack of 4 from Dollar Tree. The next are the ceramic pumpkins from Dollar Tree that are the black and white ones, but I couldn't find enough of those for my whole tablescape, so I'm going to do 2 in the ceramic and then 2 in the orange polka dot. Lastly, I'm going to use these black tinted wine glasses I found at Dollar Tree and place one at each table setting. And then you can also see there that I did add those white spiders to the centerpiece that came off the spider webs. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Halloween is definitely my favorite time of year to decorate for. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much to Heidi Sambal for putting this collaboration together. Don't forget to click on that playlist linked down below in the description box to check out all of the awesome ladies and what they did for their tablescapes. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.